Let's look at how to create customer groups. Click on customers on this left panel and go to customer groups, this tab over here. Through customer grouping, you can divide a customer base into segments of individuals that are similar in specific ways like their interest, spending habits, inactivity, or even abandoned cart value. So then within a user group, you can assign specific discounts or any special offers. For that, you can create customer groups by clicking this button. Give a name such as all the users whose average order value is over $100. So we'll just name it as AOV 100, and we'll select the conditions over here such as total order value greater than $100. And we can also add further conditions such as um, last order date is between or is after 1st of January. So you can give a personalized or something special offer to everyone who has ordered with you in this new year. And then click save, and your customer base will sit in customer groups. You can further send message to these segments. Choose a template that you have just now created from custom templates and your segments which you just created, and submit.